my son's birthday today. So keep on watching and hope you like it. Make sure you already baked your cake the night before. So this is my cake. So I got 3 layers. One of my cake has the holes in the middle. This is where I'm gonna put my smoky effect. I got the second size. Second size is like a 20 cm tin can. And the bigger size pan of mine. So I got 3 sizes for this cake. So guys, if you didn't have a rolling table, like a round table, I don't know, it's like a rolling table, you can use baking sheets. It's more stronger. When you pop the cake and when you spin it, you can spin like that. It's easy to spin. I'll show you later how it works. So you just pop it in the bench and select the first cake you want to work with. So I'm gonna start with the base. So I'm gonna select the biggest size. So guys, this is the sheets I'm talking about. If you don't have a rolling table, so it's easy for you to spin if you would like to spin. So that's just so easy. It doesn't have to be perfect, so that's okay.